I am 100% sure that we all have a very packed schedule. We all have those mornings where time is running out and a detailed makeup routine is definitely not an option. But hear me out. Rushing doesn't mean that you have to skip looking fabulous. So today we're gonna cover essential steps for a speedy yet effective makeup routine. So I would like to introduce you to this magical 3-in-1 cover-up concealer. Just imagine having your entire base routine in the palm of your hands. How cool is that? So this is the TFIT Cover Up Pro Concealer. It's the shade 01 Neutral. It has 3 different shades, from a light base to a natural base that is supposed to match your skin color, and a dark base for contouring. All you need for your makeup base, you will find it in one product. You definitely save money and time. Okay, so I have already done my skincare routine off camera. This is the most important step before your makeup. You don't need a 10 steps of skincare, just a good moisturizer or a hydrating spray, whatever you want to use, and SPF. I know that I say this pretty much to every video, but it's that important and I'm repeating myself just in case someone's new here. So I'm starting off with the medium shade, the natural base that is supposed to match our skin color. I'm talking about this one right here, and I will just go straight to my face. So this is what the color looks like on the skin. And now I will take a fluffy brush and I will blend it into the skin. It is slightly lighter for me, but I can fix the color with some bronzer later. It blends out perfectly, you don't need to put a lot of pressure to your brush. And also the coverage is unreal. It covers all the redness under the eyes or any blemishes. Okay, now moving on to the darkest shade, the dark base. I'm talking about this one right here. I want to contour my face and create a more sculpted look. So I will start from here, from my cheekbones, and I will put it right under my cheekbone. It has a very creamy texture and you can apply it very easily. I will take my setting spray and my beauty blender and I will just wet my beauty blender a little bit. You could also wet your beauty blender with some water instead of using setting spray. Sometimes I also use water. I love how natural it looks. It has a very beautiful color. So now I'm going to use the lightest shade. This one right here is the light base to bring some brightness under my eyes. So this is where I usually put my concealer. And now with my beauty blender again, I will blend it in. Okay, this is what it looks like. The coverage is unreal. I love how everything blends out so perfectly. It literally gives you the best result, and I love that it's not only doesn't crease, but it's not dry as well. I am so glad about this product that I have it in my hands. It literally changed my life, and I would highly recommend it to you guys. Okay guys, you can leave your makeup just like this. You have a really nice base and you can add just a lip balm or a lipstick and you're good to go. But for the sake of this video, I will just add a couple of more steps. I will still keep it natural and quick. I just want to give some more color. So I will take this creamy bronzer right here. I don't want to put too much, that's for sure. Next, I'm going to use this Liquid Blush by Rare Beauty. I think I've told you this before that I didn't used to be a blush kind of girl. Like, I would never wear blush. And now I cannot do my makeup without blush. I feel like something is missing. Next, I'm going to use this palette. It has all these beautiful colors. I don't want to do anything crazy with my eyes. I just want to give some color. I will take a fluffy brush and I think I will go with this color up here. And I will just blend it all over my eye. For my brows, I use this hair gel, I let it dry, and now I will use this brow pencil by Refi. I just go very lightly and follow the shape of my brows. Sometimes I don't even use a brow pencil, I just use a brow gel or this hair gel and just leave them very natural. The next thing I want to do is to create some faux freckles, and of course I'm gonna use my all-time favorite eyeliner by Wonder Skin. If you know me, you know how much I love this one. It's in the shade Brown Sugar. I will also do a tiny wing here. I like how it lifts my eyes a little bit. I will also do the tiniest bit of mascara, and I'm gonna use this mascara by Wonder Skin. Only this much, you can't even tell that I have mascara on. And last but not least, I will do my lips. I will use this lip liner by Huda Beauty. I overline my lips, but I still blend it out with my finger a little bit so I can keep it natural. So I will finish my lips with this lip balm right here. I've said this before and I will say it again. This is one of the best lip balms I've ever used. If you're looking for a good lip balm, this one is for you. It is a hydrating lip treatment. It leaves your lips very smooth and it has a very nice color. Guys, here is the final result. So guys, that's all I have for today. I am so happy with the final result. For one more time, I highly recommend this product. You definitely need it in your life. I will have the link in the description box. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends, because these 3 things help my channel a lot. Follow me on Instagram because I post there daily, and I will hopefully see you to my next video.